tell me that it won't look too much.
Hold on, sorry. It didn't? Yo, you finished that? Is that the same one you was looking at yesterday? Where it was like, oh, some type of time thing? Yeah. See, I'll pay attention.
Turn your mic off.
Is this what we're doing this morning? Hey, no. Izzy. And then you just walk away like it ain't nothing. Be looking. Baby, when I tell y'all, she looking at it because she sees the stuff on top. She can't. I do give her whipped cream, so it is what it is. But let me give. It's independent. When I tell y'all. Y'all, this is probably the best coffee I've made. Are you having fun? Yeah, I'm talking to you.